Hi, today in front of me Vivo Y16 and I'll show you how to turn and turn off silent mode on this device. So first open notification panel shortcuts and you should find here the silent mode icon. Click once on this icon. Now the icon is in a blue color. This means that the silent mode is activated and all of your notifications and ringtones, they will be muted. If you want to turn it off, just by the same way click on the silent mode icon and that's it. Also, we have one more way how we can do that. Just press up or down volume button and you'll see here this bell icon. Just to turn on silent mode, click twice to the bell icon and now we'll switch to the cross bell, so this means that the silent mode is activated. If you want to turn it off, we should click here on the bell icon once again and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.